Hey everyone, welcome to the next video in our Hong Kong series. Come along with us as we show you all of our highlights from staying at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. Honestly, this hotel is absolutely stunning. We'll show you around the lobby. We actually stayed Kingdom Club, so we'll show you the room and we'll show you the Kingdom Club lounge, the nighttime offerings that we got and the breakfast in the Kingdom Club lounge. We'll show you the gift shop. Make sure you stick around to the end because we've got a bit of a surprise for you where we caught up with a couple of characters in their pajamas. Just look at those beautiful chandeliers, aren't they stunning? Kingdom Gifts is the gift shop at Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. All three of the Disney hotels in Hong Kong have gift shops, and because we stayed at all three of the hotels, we frequented the gift shops. This one's beautiful, has lots of variety. You'll find something that you like in there. And pro tip, there's heaps of mystery box options in Hong Kong, so we certainly got our fix of them. So much fun. If you're at all interested in checking out what we bought on our Hong Kong trip, check out the first video in this playlist. It's all the merchandise we bought for our entire trip. We were in Hong Kong for 9 nights and we stayed at all three Disney hotels. We went into the city to do sightseeing, so make sure you check it out. This is us, 7050 in our Kingdom Club double room. Come on in. There's nice big full-length mirrors there. Robes, ironing board, some shelving. And the slippers down there, Kingdom Club slippers, that's cool. And the bathroom is so fancy. There's a bath, it's beautiful, it's so beautiful. A shower gel there, toilet. Nice beautiful basin area. A mirror with the Snow White dwarfs. In there. hand wash and lotion, and then there's a nice big shower. It's even got like a seat in there. Hasn't got a rain shower head like Explorer's had, so that's okay. You come out and there's like the little mini bar section here, coffee maker. No water machine at this one. They have given us bottles of water though. There's a safe and a little mini fridge in there. All of your tea and coffee making there. Got the little Mickey mugs, and the mini bar in the fridge is included. So soft drinks, and that gets replenished while we're here. Then there's a little luggage seat there. Nice big TV and chest of drawers, and table and chairs there. Big mirror. Nice beautiful mural there. Painting. And we'll just back it up a bit to show the beds. Two double beds. Shelves on each side. Nice lamps. Plugs. Mary Poppins there. And our beautiful balcony. We get a sea view again and a pool view. You can see out there. And there's the pool, slide, mini golf over there. Yeah, this will do us. It's lovely. While we stayed at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, we wanted to do the Enchanted Garden buffet character breakfast. We really enjoyed that. We saw Mickey and Pluto, which was really nice. We did do all three of the character breakfasts across the three hotels. Enchanted Garden was probably our least favourite. Like, we didn't hate it. We just found that it was a bit awkward setup. All the food offerings were pretty much the same across all three, and Enchanted Garden didn't have like a designated coffee machine. They just kind of had instant coffee, so there was no actual coffee machine, which we found odd being at the Signature Hotel. But in saying that, we really enjoyed it. We had a great meal. I didn't get a lot of footage in there because the morning of that I had a bit of an incident with my hair straightener and burnt my finger. So I was a little bit glassy-eyed that morning and just took some still shots of what we got, but the food offerings were pretty much the same across all three. The Kingdom Club Lounge was awesome. We really enjoyed the breakfasts there. The evening bites weren't too bad. Not our favourite, but they were okay. We would definitely stay Kingdom Club again. This is our little setup in the Kingdom Club area, having our breakfast. We've checked into the Disneyland Hotel and we've got Kingdom Club for a couple of nights, so they brought us straight up, let us have breakfast even on our check-in day, which is good. I just thought I'd show you the offerings for breakfast. So there's some tea and coffee here, and then we've got some hot food options. They're definitely trying to cater for Asian taste as well as Western, which was nice, so we could try some Asian inspired dishes if we wanted, and then we were also happy with our Western choices, bacon and scrambled eggs and some little quiches there, condiments. I had some pork sausages in there and some potatoes and scrambled eggs. And then there's all these yummy pastries. When you come in, it might not look like there's much on offer, but oh man, we're all full, and we felt like there was a really good variety. Banana bread and some bread for toasting in the toaster. There's also a fridge, soft drinks. You can just grab soft drinks as you please. Some yogurts, some more drinks down there, and a bowl of apples and some Yakults. Fruit there as well. And then over here you've got your juices and some cereals. And then cute little Mickey and Minnie bowls for the kids. And then there's all your cold serve here. Absolutely plentiful. We are so full. That'll keep us going for ages. It was like 10 o'clock when we got here, so we're going to be nice and full. We won't need lunch today. We'll just come back to the Kingdom Club later for some snacks, and that'll be it. But it's a nice little setup in here. There's lots of tables. I don't want to film the people eating their breakfast, but down here there's like lounge area. But yeah, it's really nice.
love your jammies. Aren't they awesome? Beautiful. Yeah, very snazzy.
that concludes our stay at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. This truly is a beautiful hotel. If you ever get the chance, make sure you stay there. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We have so many more videos to come, some more Hong Kong content, and something coming up later in the year, which isn't that far away. So hit subscribe, stick with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Toodles!